You're welcome.
If it was a blizzard, we probably get frostbite.
That wouldn't be good at all. Sorry, let me go grab a light real quick. Just. Yeah.
And it's funny because I was just thinking that, like, literally, maybe Friday, I was like, I should get another key.
Yeah, it's always good to have.
Yeah.
I think that was it right there.
Thank you for coming.
Yes, no problem.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Oh, that was fast.
Yeah, I told you the Nissans are pretty easy. All right, y'all have a good night.